My dog is just kind of like sniffing around my feet, wondering what the is going on. You're a good boy. If you chew up my shoes, we're gonna have a problem. What's up, everybody? I'm Seth Fowler, and today I got this massive package in from Puma, and I have no idea what it is. So why don't we open this guy up and see what we've got. This unboxing setup is a little bit different than my usual unboxing setup. Usually I have a camera up there that's filming downward so you guys can see what's going on inside the box. Unfortunately, my Sony a7 III's mic jack broke. It seems to have happened to pretty much everyone I know who has a Sony a7 III, except for maybe like Tony D2 Wild. But everyone else, yeah, so that problem's been kind of a big issue with the a7 III's, which kind of sucks. If you don't care about cameras, then that's fine. It's just something that's happening in my life. Right now I'm filming on the a6500, which is usually my secondary camera, but for the last couple days it's been my main camera until I get my a7 III back. But long story short, unfortunately, we're just gonna have to do like a front view of this unboxing, which, you know, isn't ideal, but, you know, back to the old days. But before we get into the video, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you didn't already know, I'm doing a big Halloween-themed giveaway. I'm giving away a pretty awesome pair of sneakers. I haven't announced what the pair of sneakers is yet, but keep in mind it's awesome. At least in my opinion. I don't know if you guys will think it's awesome, but based on a lot of the comments in previous videos, you guys probably pretty much already know what it is. So in order to stay up to date in that giveaway, make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't yet. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at @RealSethFowler, because I will be dropping hints about the giveaway in the very near future. So without further ado, let's get right into this unboxing. So it's funny, on the day I don't have my camera, I also don't have my scissors. So this unboxing is gonna be all sorts of messed up, unfortunately. And the way I'm gonna open this box is with a pen from my bank. Let me pick it up so you guys can actually see it. There we go. This pen's useless, completely useless. What does Mike Rich say? Open it up with these hands. Obviously my hands are not as strong as Mike Rich's. I'm just gonna do the hand method some more. This is like the worst unboxing ever. Oh shoot. We've got a lot of stuff inside this box. There's a lot more stuff than I expected. Check that. Oh, you actually can't see anything because of the bubble wrap, but I pull this off. Looks like 2 pairs of shoes and a Polaroid. Nice, okay. Let's open this Polaroid first. So Puma hooked it up with the Polaroid Snap Instant Print Digital Camera. Very cool, Puma. Thank you for this. They actually did message me and say that they were sending me a Polaroid camera for some pictures of whatever is in the box. So I'm kind of excited about that. Also, I'm gonna be doing an event at Extra Butter on Friday from 8 to 10. That's in New York City. And the pictures that I take will be on display there, which is kind of cool. Also, Jeff Staple will be there, so that'll be pretty cool as well. If you guys wanna check that out, I'll be there Friday that day is Friday the 5th. Friday the 5th. Here we go. We got the USB cable, it looks like. We got some, I guess, instruction manuals, and then also the camera itself. Here we go. I've never actually owned a Polaroid, so this is cool. Obviously, it's not, you know, the old-time Polaroid, the one that everyone remembers and is nostalgic about, but that's actually pretty sick. This is a cool little camera. I'm actually really excited about this camera. Check it out. Well, thank you for that, Puma. Next item in the box. So I've got 2 pairs of shoes right here. And I don't know which one to open up first. Let's go with this one. Let's go with this one first. Excuse me, Ben. So I haven't looked at the tag on this box yet, so I have no idea what this is. I'm gonna try and not look at the tag. Let's just open this guy up. I know there's gonna be paper on it, so you guys probably won't be able to see what it is right away, but nice. This is a Puma RSO in Puma Silver, Quarry, Puma White. Sweet. This is actually pretty sick. So this is obviously a Puma RSO in Puma Silver, Quarry, and then Puma White, which I didn't realize Puma had, you know, their own version of silver and their own version of white, but pretty nice looking sneaker, very clean. This is actually a really sick shoe. I didn't even know that this colorway came out. Oh, the whole left side is 3M? Wait, really? I think the whole upper might be 3M. Oh, no way. So the whole upper of the sneaker is 3M, this whole gray upper. That's actually really, really sick. This might actually be my favorite RSO that's dropped so far. Yo, that's really cool. So this is, like I said, the Puma RSO in this full 3M upper. I think that's by far the coolest RSO I've seen. The Puma RSO is actually a really comfy sneaker, and I think they're doing a good thing by sort of like really pumping out the colorways on this shoe and letting people know about it, because it's really one of their better releases of the year. Obviously I like the Spectra the best, that's by far my favorite, but the RSO is definitely a close second. You know what? I'm gonna put this in the background, right over there. Excuse me, Spectra. You've been replaced. Can you guys see the 3M back there? You guys see that 3M at all? Probably not. I've screwed up my lighting now. Great. Okay, so now getting to the last shoe in the box. This is what I could only assume is a Polaroid themed sneaker, based on the fact that it has a Polaroid camera on the front. Let's open this guy up and see what we've got. Oh, hold up. Hey Seth, flash on. I don't know if that's how I would have worded it. Show us how you snap your kicks, Puma. At Puma Sports Style, at Polaroid. Thank you so much, Puma, for sending this my way. I actually really love everything you've sent me. This is a pretty sick package. Let's see what the actual shoes look like. You know what? I actually really like this Puma Polaroid paper. That's pretty sick. Okay, here we go. Whoa. These are sick. Yo, check these out. So what you might not be able to tell or see on the camera right now is that these are actually like completely suede. So this is like a really nice looking material. It smells nice too. It does have a little bit of a glue smell, but that's all sneakers. Actually, that might be just like a really nice suede smell. I don't know my smells too well. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm just ripping this paper out. This is ridiculous. Come on out, second shoe. These are so fresh. So on the tongue, you've got your Polaroid stripes, which is actually a really, really dope touch. You've got the Puma and Polaroid logo right up there. You've got the Polaroid logo on the back of the midsole. I really love what they've done with this pair and that pair back there, where they made the midsole and outsole just one solid color. I think that really changes up the entire look of the shoe, and I love this suede, man. This suede is so, so clean. They also put this really sick little like Polaroid metal hang tag thing too, which is awesome. Man, this is dope. I'm actually really, really impressed. Okay, I think we're gonna have to do it on foot because these are really next level. Seriously, huge thank you to Puma for sending all this out. The Polaroid camera, the Polaroid kicks, the 3M kicks back there. This is a pretty excellent package. I'm blown away. If you guys want to check out the Puma Polaroid event at Extra Butter, it's on Friday the 5th. I'll be there, Jeff Staple will be there, a couple other influencers will be there. It'll be a lot of fun. I'm definitely gonna be rocking these because these are dope. But that pretty much wraps up the video for today. I'd love to know your thoughts on the Puma RSO in these two new colorways and which colorway you like best. So of course, make sure to leave your comments in the comment section down below. Also, if you want to learn more about the upcoming giveaway, make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter at RealSethFowler. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.